Hey, what's up? It's Mikey T's. I was given that name back when I was 18 in a hair metal band, and that's when I got more creative with my craft. Teasing out hair, punk rock, scene kids. To me, it was just about the hair, the style, the culture, the music. To be creative to me is to be free. I want to look the way I want to look. I want to do my hair the way I want to do my hair. I want to have color in it, all kinds of colors. I want it to be different. I'm staying creative not only with my style, but with who I am. Being creative to me is hair. Hair kind of represents you in a way. It adds to your style. It adds to your character. It makes you feel good when it looks good. Hair is like the crown to me. You gotta wear it every day. It's gotta look good, you know what I mean? This has been a dream. On this journey, being creative with what I do. Staying creative, being creative, doing creative art. It's who we are. It's all good to me. Let's rock it out with some good hair now.